How to text a Virgin mobile phone from the Internet. Virgin Mobile is a provider of prepaid wireless service in the United States and other countries around the world. By offering prepaid wireless plans at affordable prices, Virgin Mobile has become popular with users looking for wireless service without the hassle of long-term contracts and monthly bills. In addition to voice service, Virgin Mobile also offers plans that include text messaging service. Text messages can be sent to Virgin Mobile phones from another mobile phone or from the Internet via email. 1. Open a web browser and log on to your email account. Text messages can be sent to Virgin Mobile phones from most email services around the world. 2. Click New Message or Compose Mail to create a new email message. 3. Type your message in the message field of the new email. 4. Enter phone number at mobile.com in the to field of the message, where phone number is a Virgin Mobile wireless number. Be sure to include the area code of the phone number. 5. Click Send to send the text message to the Virgin Mobile phone.